Place the rear housing of the ET401 case facing up. Vertically insert the I/O connector into the rear housing. Ensure the alignment of all 4 positions. Tilt the ET401 at an angle and insert it into the rear housing. Verify the alignment of the ET401 charge pad and the pogo pins. Install the front housing vertically, ensuring the scanner position is aligned. Note: ensure that the buttons on the sides of the device are properly aligned before installing the top housing. Press down on the front housing to set it into place. Insert the M2 screws into the screw holes on the ET401 case. To avoid misalignment, secure the corner screws before tightening the remaining screws. Tighten the remaining M2 screws. Finally, insert the USB-C extender into the Conversion Rugged Boot for ET401.